This process works for the whole generation of the bike and is also pretty universal for almost all bikes and other motorized vehicles that have a chain that needs to be cleaned. So I bought this multi-roll chain care kit from my local Cycle Gear, which isn't that local. So I'm excited to get right into opening this bad boy up and seeing what we got inside. Make sure the box is empty. Oftentimes people leave stuff in there. Alright, so we have a bottle or can of chain cleaner. We have a bottle of chain lube. Awesome. Can't ever open anything without a nice sticker in there. Perfect. Nice pair of gloves to keep my my baby soft hands soft and in good condition. And the actual chain brush. Awesome. I think these will do the job. Let's get it. All right, so here we are. We got the chain cleaning kit. We got our stands, front and rear. We have the microfiber rags. And now we can get to cleaning this. Ew! Look at that rust. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna have to clean this bad boy up. All right, so step number 1 is to put the rear wheel on the rear wheel stand. I got myself a set of these Moto-D race stands. I got them off of Amazon. I think they were $60, $120, something like that. They were between 60 to 120 bucks. I don't exactly remember what they cost, but I haven't even used them yet, so this will be the first time I actually have them in an application. The second item you will also need is a set of spools. For this bike, I believe it takes 6 or 8 millimeter real spools. I got MC Motorsport ones, black and green. You know, gotta go with the colorway of the bike. You know, keep it simple. All you have to do is screw those into the real spool area, and then you'll be good to go from there. So let's get this bike jacked up and on the rear stand. So you want to make sure you have the stand spool arms touching the spools. You might have to adjust the spool arms, that way you can make sure they're 100% ready to be connected onto the bike. Alrighty, so as you can see, we have the bike on a rear stand. We want this because we want to have free play of the tire without having to actually have the bike move, which you can do it without a rear stand, but it definitely is a lot more complicated, and it definitely is not as easy. So I just want to let you guys know that when you guys clean the chain, it gives you a plus 10 horsepower boost. So that way you can pop those wheelies and beat those Lamborghinis quite easily. Yeah, it basically just gives you a Kaioken times 100. Alrighty, so I got my doctor's gloves on. I'm ready to do a prostate exam, show off my strong finger game. No pun intended. We're gonna use some great finger scrubbing game and get this chain cleaned up quite well. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take your chain cleaner and then you want to spray it. You know, get a nice coat of chain cleaner on there. You want to get it nice and wet. So you want to make sure you go at least twice around the chain, get it nice and lubricated. And then from there, we can go ahead and get some cleaning done. All right, so you're gonna rotate it and scrub it at the same time. You're gonna do the outside, you're gonna do the top portion, you're gonna come over here and clean the inside of the chain while you're rotating it, and then what you're also gonna do is you're gonna use this tool and get a nice scrub while you're rotating it. So it's just gonna look something like this. Okay, so you're gonna do that and get a nice good clean on there. All right, so I gave it a nice clean. So now we're gonna wipe off any of the excess cleaner. Take your microfiber rag, and as you're rotating it, make sure you clean it. Clean off all the grime and the dirt that you've accumulated over your rides and over the period of time since you last cleaned. So you're just gonna rub, clean, rotate, rub, clean, rotate, rub, clean, rotate. Okay. So you're gonna do that. Make sure you get as much of the excess dirt and grime off there as you can. And then we'll go on to the next step after. So I got the bad boy clean. It's looking a lot cleaner, a lot less rusty, a lot less dirty. Sprocket's looking a little bit cleaner. Gave it some TLC. So now it's time to get the chain all lubed up. Make sure you spray it here while you're rotating it. And then you spray just a little bit on the top as you're rotating it. And then you want to be sure to wipe off any excess lube. You don't want to wipe it off too much, but you want to wipe it off, you know, to where it's not dripping or anything like that. All right, so now we got this bad boy cleaned up. So now we're done. And that's how you clean the chain on the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Again, this is a very universal application. It could be done for almost any bike, any chain, but even, shoot, normal bike chains. So, yeah, that's how we do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts on the video. And subscribe so that you can get all of the latest content on my channel. Thank you guys. Peace!